Okay, cool. So I think we're streaming now, and a lot of stuff on my desktop. Let's close this actually. Yeah. Okay, so I'll probably just stream for 1 hour because I'm pretty tired. I couldn't sleep last night because my air conditioner was broken. Well, it still is broken actually. But I want to try streaming more frequently, maybe about 3 times a week. Move this across. You know, my computer is actually really powerful, but it seems really slow. Okay, so I think we can do from here down. We can do these tasks, and then maybe if there's time, I'll try doing some of this. I might move this across as well. So I'm working on a fake girlfriend app. That's why this stream is called Girlfriend Plus. Nah, it doesn't help you get a girlfriend. It's just an app for you to talk to a fake girlfriend. Oops. Damn it. Okay. So this build is still going. So the task I want to do is put in a French script. So this one's Adriana. Score FR. French language code. Okay. How's it different from just talk? It's kind of the same, except when you talk to a bot, it's basically the same as talking to the bot, except you don't get to type whatever you want to type. It's actually like you can only choose from options. So to me, I think that's better, but to some people, they think it's worse. So, you know. What's the French language code? FR, FR. Alright. So, go to the script folder. Wrong game. So I have Adriana, and I think we need to pull things down actually. Okay, so branch checkout. Origin, close, close. So we'll do a pull. Okay, is that done? Not yet. Hmm. Um, let's go to master actually. Check out master, and then yeah. So we're on master, and we have. Let's switch. Let's make this. Is a shortcut for creating a folder? It probably is, right? I agree. Underscore FR. Okay, cool. So we should also check out this file to make sure it's formed correctly. View font size. Tools, relative stability results, project. Preferences, settings default. So font size, let's up this to 22 and then save it. Is that all I have to do? Maybe I need to restart. Sublime text increase font size. It's annoying, right? It's a fucking text file. It's kind of cute that they make it a text file because Sublime Text is a text editor, right? Right. View, project, tools, preferences, user. It's too big. Big TV. It's better. Okay. It's still very big, but anyway. It's good for you guys. Is this big enough? Maybe not. If it's not, let me know. Yan can eat stars. That's good. Ah. Okay, so I found one error. Anyway, no big deal. So G-O. Actually, I only did it once. No big deal. Okay, so it looks pretty good. It looks pretty French. So in language, we change that from EN to FR. The character code. This is so annoying. This character code stuff. Take a look at the logs. So German Leilani is 28. Okay, so German Leilani is 36. So it should be 37. kind of annoying. How much did Liddy do? She did a lot. Je peux te reparler dans la matinée. Oh, moi j'arrive. Moi aussi, mon chou. Moi je dois me lever tôt. Je te reparler demain matin. You say. I don't know what to say. I say bonne nuit. Have a good night. Yes! Oh, I'm so good at French. Oh, bonne nuit, beau gosse. Oh, beautiful. What is beau gosse? Oh, okay. Hunk. Okay, so we put that file in. We're on master. So let's try. So let's go into development for OpenGL there, and then we go to build.gradle, go to scripts, and let's try putting in Adriana FR. Let's just give it a build. I might be able to run on the simulator on this device, because this one's got a lot more RAM than my computer at work. Bill Gates! Ah, good to see Bill Gates is here. I'm pretty sure I need a haircut, but I don't want to cut my hair yet, but it is getting really annoying. I want to cut it like extremely short, but then I also don't want to do that because I'll look really bad. I think I'll cut it extremely short soon-ish. In the meantime, Android Studio is still trying to build. I would really like to know what it's actually doing. Like what is it doing? Is it doing like, I don't know, just I don't actually know how you build a Java program or how you build an Android program, but I would like to like see the slow code because it's kind of a mystery. I've never written anything that takes this long to run. I'm not saying they suck. I'm just saying like I'm curious. It's funny. So it's like error, but then here it's like success. So it failed because it couldn't build onto the device because I unplugged the device. Okay, so it looks like we can run the emulator. Your emulator is out of date. Please update by... No, I will not update. I'm sick of updating. Every 2 days you guys have a stupid fucking update and there's no difference. Oh, I want to eat some cookies. I want to eat some digestive biscuits. I like those digestive biscuits. Where can I buy some? $88 errors is just a lot of errors. I would prefer it if there were less. And still, your application fails to build. Okay, cool. So, what's the issue? The issue is that we're not on French, right? So we need to set our device to French. So, this thing's running pretty nicely, actually. So why is this called dev settings instead of just settings? I think I just want settings. So settings. This thing runs better than my actual device. It's kind of funny. Language. Français. The real French from France. Okay, let's open it again. Oh, weird. Let's delete this first, actually, because I think it didn't install. Yeah, it's a weird little issue. That's something I need to think about, actually. I need to write these migration files, and they are so annoying to write. Kiev is here. I've got a friend, his name's Kiev. Hey. So, the script is Adriana. And I think the issue is what? I think the issue is that we're on development girlfriend, which is correct. Let's just add Adriana FR in there as well. And then the other thing is we need to set it as unlocked. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, I didn't mean to press that. Okay, cool. Why did that take so long? pretty annoying. Game. Okay. So obviously something's totally wrong here. I don't know what. Um, oh, I know what. I know what. I know what. Ah, I'm so smart. Ah, I'm so smart. Utils. Basically, we need to set what language this game supports, right? So, final string French equals locale dot French dot get language, right? Final string Korean equals locale dot Korean dot get language, right? Okay. And then we do something like this. I don't know if we can. I don't know if you can switch on strings. I think you can. I think you can. But let's just not do it. Okay. Yeah, okay, so let's give that another build. Still no good, and I think it's because... oh, well, let's just delete it again. I don't think that has anything to do with it, so I'm a bit stumped on this one, actually. But let's just build it again. Oh, we'll probably have to take a look at the database to see what's going on. So many errors. We gotta fix... I really want to fix these just because it's, like, annoying to see all these errors. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's a clue. Okay, so let's take a look at the database. I think it might be something like the language code I set, which is FR, is not the same as the language code that Android has. That seems a bit weird, but it could be something like that. So source, no, we don't want source. We want build, export, GFPP, and this was made 9:52, which was just a few minutes ago. Okay, so we take a look at the characters, and we have Adriana. We have two Adrianas. One is unlocked. One is can trial. And the language is FR. Okay. So looks like that's coming across correctly. What about the character ID? It's 37. Okay. Okay. So 37 and yeah, so 37 looks good. And then we have conversations. We have 37 here, okay. So we have 2 for 37. Alright, so database looks okay. So let's take a look at the the util code. And let's just step through this, okay? So let's set a breakpoint here. Give it a debug build, and we'll see what we get. Okay. Okay, so French is FR. So English is EN. Oh, okay. Somehow the default user language is English. Okay. Okay, right. So user language is FR. That's the bug. So it was just kind of like a stupid block of code here. So I think we got it. Let's try just deploying it again. Hey, salut, PK. C'est Adriana. Tu te souviens de moi? Je crois que tu me dis quelque chose. Tu es bien russe. Okay, so I think we got it. But I want to do that fallback stuff. Abruti. Je suis brun. Oh! Oops! Oops! It's not oops, it's oops! Pas de souci. Sticky tongue. That's not French. French people don't do that. French people don't stick out their tongues. Tu n'étais pas vraiment sobre. Sobre. On peut apprendre à se connaître maintenant. I know maintenant means now. Alors, tu fais quoi pour t'amuser? Something, you, something, something. I don't know. Well, these are pretty long. Ce n'est pas stupide. J'aime la musique, le art, le jeu vidéo, le livre, au cinéma. Je suis un peu geek sur les boards. So, okay. That is not stupid, right? I like music, art. The game videos? Video games? Video games. Books. Going to the movies. I am a video game geek. It's French. It's French. French. The language of defeat. C'est génial. J'adore les jeux video games et les livres. I love the video games and the books. Vraiment, je ne sais pas que les jolies filles aiment ce genre de choses. Oh, really? Vermont is truly, I guess? I guess it's like, really? That's pretty good. It's pretty good. I can learn French. Viens chez moi. Je suis sûr que je te bats. Ut la main à Madre Kart 9. Is it Mario Kart 9? That sounds like Mum Kart 9. Madre is mom, right? In Spanish, Madre is mom. Yeah, it's running in the emulator. That's cool. Okay, so I think we did a good job. Yeah, I know bonjour too. It's a great word. Okay, so I think we did a really good job. Give ourselves a pat on the back for that. And yeah, so. So, I found out there's some issues with the translation, huh? Alright, doesn't matter. We support French, Korean, and German. Great. I guess we'll push this. So then we'll make another build called French, I think. Even with the name of the movie. What was it? I didn't even know. What the fuck is this movie shit? Okay, so that pushed up. Okay, so next I want to make a new branch. Add branch. Call it French. No, let's call it Francais. Oh, we're so cool. Francais. And then partially translated Adriano script. And then we'll do remote push to push. Did it push? It's pushing. Okay. Big X mech join the room. Okay, that's great. So let's go to our Trello. And this is a really fun thing to do. Done. Okay, so still a few more tasks. I want to do these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wanted to learn French in school, but in America the education system sucks and they forced me to take 2 years of Spanish. Yeah, I mean, I've been using Duolingo. It's pretty good. Like, another thing is like French is pretty similar to English, so it's quite easy to learn. I mean, I'm not good at French. I'm a total fucking idiot. But even just reading that script, I mean, it's quite easy to guess because I don't know, some things just look similar. But what was I gonna say? Try it out. You know, like it's not too late to learn another language. To do it when I get time. It's only like 5 minutes a day. Pretty easy. I'll be right back. Okay. So, I think I'll do this task because it's quite easy. Basically, it's just looking out for errors in the script. Okay. So I'm just gonna do that, and it's pretty easy. So basically, I'll just run you guys through it. Oh wait, I need to go on the right branch. So I'm on Francais, and then I want to go back to master. So now I'm on master branch. Okay, and then I want to search up for player name dot. It's basically an error. Yeah, so it's in Andy and Andy KO. So let's fix it. So there's only 2 of them, but it's worth fixing. Okay. Fixed up now for declaration. I don't know what a declaration is, but it seems like it's probably the right word. Declaration. I declare. Alright. Worth. And then we can mark that as done. So that was literally like 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. I think this one's quite good. So last stream I deleted a bunch of code, but then I realized that code was pretty good, so I wanted to put it back in. So it's kind of like I took a step backwards last time, and now I'm trying to take a step forwards. So let's find out. Alright. That's fine. Yeah, so this is what I want to... I'm kind of hoping that I can just undo it. So, revert. Yeah, I want to revert that one. Okay. Let's see if it works. Because it might not. So, got the project here, got the emulator here. Let's get rid of this. Okay. Let's do a clean, which is probably going to take 10 hours. I'm eating crackers. If anybody's wondering, if anybody wants to know what I'm eating crackers. Yeah, this is my hand. This is a cracker. I'm currently learning Android on Udacity. I do iOS and Swift. So being able to do both would be great. Funny stream. Well, thanks. Yeah, it is good when you can do both. You know why? I don't know why. It's kind of fun. Like Android, I think is a little bit harder, maybe 2 times harder than iPhone. But in my company, I'm the only one who can do iPhone and Android. Actually, I'm the only one in the whole company who can do Android, and it's kind of fun. I'm basically the boss of Android. So whenever somebody says, "Hey, can we do this feature on Android?" If I don't want to do it, I can just say, "No, it's impossible. It's impossible. We can't do it." And then sometimes the iPhone guy, there's 2 other iPhone programmers, and then there's me. And sometimes one of them, the iPhone programmers, will say, "Yeah, job security." But I mean, I'm not so worried about job security. It's like there's so many programming jobs around right now. So, sometimes the iPhone programmer will say like, "Oh, we can't do that," and then in my head, like, I'm thinking, "What's he talking about? We can't do that." It's good to know. It's good to know both. Android has some cool stuff. iPhone has some cool stuff. Usually, actually, the iPhone stuff is better, but sometimes the Android stuff is better. Blah 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 blah. It may seem like I'm not focusing. Oh yeah, I wasn't actually. So that thing's done. You know, these crackers are pretty good. Hey, what? Oh, I need to close this. Alright, let's try that again. Build, clean. Okay. Is it done? Okay. And then we build. So after I do this code, I want to merge it into the language branches. So we have 3 languages that I'm adding in: French, Korean, and German. And I want to make sure this code works. Oh, actually, this looks like it didn't work, but actually it did. It's just a warning. Okay. Cool. Okay, so let's test out the German one first. So we'll set the language to German. Langbre. Deutsch. Deutschland. Okay, so now we're speaking Deutsch. Sprachen Sie Deutsch? Okay, so then go here. Delete this. Gone. And then let's just commit this. Yeah. We'll just commit and push this. Okay. So then we're gonna check out the German branch. Oh, let's check out the French one. Okay, check out French. Okay. Now we're in the French branch. No, fuck it. Let's check out the German one. There's a reason. Because I set the... Anyway, just trust me, there's a reason. Yeah, we'll check out the German one. And then... I want to merge master into the German branch. Because we just coded something. Yeah, okay. So merge the working tree. On. What? What's the difference? Language D. Alright. Surprisingly, we actually take this one. Oh, this is annoying. Okay. So we take this one. Okay. Save. And then take this one. You may be wondering what this is all about, but it's not really that important, so don't worry about it. Oh, really? White space, huh? Well, let's just leave the white space. Stage. Okay. So, yeah. No, okay. So, good. And then we'll build. What the hell's this? Yahoo! Who the hell put Yahoo search on my computer? That is very rude. Do not like. Does Yahoo still even have a search engine? I'm pretty sure they just use Google. Okay. Wunderbar. Wunderbar. Christian. Okay. So it didn't work. These two both came up. Um, I only want one of them to come up. Yeah. This is a fake girlfriend app. So you get messages and you can reply. So it's just good if you want to talk to a fake person. Okay. So I don't know why it's like this. One thing I could do is take a look at util. That looks correct. Nothing special here. It's downloading. Yeah. Okay. What about this phony characters? Okay. I think I got it. I think I got it. So it's in PP character, and then get all. And this is just getting all the characters, which is not really what we want. Where is this used? Okay. Right. So the problem is, Mm, mm, Okay, so let's be smart. But how? I think. Yeah. Uh, okay, so these are English characters. Add all English characters. Get characters as fallback. What does the where clause look like? Let's see what this is called. Okay, so the where clause is game state is in this and language equals this, right? And then this one is game state is this and language equals this. So it's pretty similar, these two blocks. So the get all should just be and language equals whatever, whatever. So let's copy the where clause. And let's just change the get all. So get character to fallback and then the where clause. Okay, so and language equals question mark. Okay. Language equals question mark. That's the where clause. Actually, we can just do this. Language equals question mark. Alright. Okay, so I'm hoping that'll work. And what should the outcome be? The outcome should be there's only one Leilani, and it's the German Leilani. That's what we want. Okay, so let's delete this. I don't think we need to delete it, but let's do it anyway. Let's do it anyway. Actually, really fucked up. The me, see you. Okay. I really want to fix this because it's so annoying. Keeps making me think it's crashed. There's no real reason to fix it, but. My name is 959595. Okay. I think there's only one Leilani, which is good. That is good. Yeah, I think we did it. And I must say, we did a fucking good job. Okay. So let's write. Ooh, a lot of things changed. What changed? Merge master into German. Commit and push. No, let's just commit. Commit stage changes. Alright. Good. Good. Okay. Just get rid of this shit. Get the fuck out of here. Okay, get out of here, Timber. Perhaps. Okay, so get all uses okay, all uses the fallback. I don't like that code actually, so I might just yeah, I might do something kind of smart, but also kind of dumb. But I don't really see the point of rewriting stuff. Like if it's really buggy or like really unclear, then yeah. But if it's just like if it's tolerable, then just leave it. I'd say. Okay, so that's good. So let's check out the French branch now. So French checkout. So we want to merge master in. That's master, right? No. Fuck. All right, we gotta do some more. Check out. Damn it! That's annoying. Ah, I messed up. Anyway, stuff kind of happens sometimes. So I'll just copy this block back into master. So branch checkout master, and then get all. Yeah. Okay. Get all uses fallback. Okay, so we want to merge this code into the French branch. I think branch checkout French checkout branch. Oops. Branch merge. Yeah. Okay. Then let's do another build. So we delete this. We set the phone to French. Sprock. French. Good. And then we do a build clean. Low sugar mooncakes? Really? What's the point of a mooncake if it's gonna be low sugar? Gâteau de lune. No. We're supposed to be working. We're not supposed to be reading the news. Still going, huh? Okay, so I've been going for about an hour, I think. Yeah, exactly an hour. Well, not exactly an hour, but about an hour. A bit more than an hour. Okay, and then it's build. Okay, so what I'm hoping is that there's only one Adriana, and there is, and it's the French Adriana. It is, nice. Okay, so that's great. Okay, so that worked. Everything's good. We'll go back to master, branch, checkout. Master, checkout, checkout. So now we're back on master, and the audio is really weird for these emulators. So that's good. So we reinsert the language fallback. I do want to know why that's going on. So we're going to autoplay script late central. I do have an idea for that. So we're on the master branch. Let's just set the phone back to English. Actually, it might be quite good to stay in French for now. So let's just delete this. Let's actually go to. Let's go back to English. So English. There's so many Englishes. U.S. English. America, fuck yeah. Okay, so let's build the app onto the device. I mean, onto the emulator. I really want to play StarCraft. Maybe I'll play StarCraft later. I like playing StarCraft. No, I specifically want to enter that. Okay. So, I think since Android 5 or something, these cheat codes aren't working anymore. And there's a way to test that out. Yeah, but I don't really want to do it. No. Merci beaucoup, bébé. C'est très gentil de ta part. Okay, so it's obviously not working. The cheat code. So for some reason we still need to wait. The timer's not working. So something like alarm service? Alarm, interruption alarm manager. Yeah. So I mean, main Java game character billing character character. No, it's game, I think, and then it's alarm broadcast receiver. So my idea is actually we just increase this by 200 milliseconds, and then that's like, it's not instant, but it's pretty close. And see how it goes. So I'm gonna delete install. How's the stream going? We are dropping a lot of frames, but it's just because we have a really bad internet connection. Well, not we. I have really bad internet connection here. Oh, nice. It's a very mean email to a recruiter just then. So it's still not working. This is so weird. Okay, so okay, that still doesn't work. So let's just stop and then delete the app. So that had no effect. Fine. Okay. FireEye comes in here. We set it there, and then we set it. So my idea is we have in the game we have NPC interactions, and they're just called NPC interactions, right? Pretty simple. Offset length milliseconds. Get FireEye. So my idea is we just go like this. Return system.current time milliseconds plus 400. And then that just means like we obviously don't want that in the final game because we do like the delays, but if this works, then if this still doesn't work, then obviously there's something else going on, something weird going on. Some sort of weird Android 6 weirdness. Okay, so weird. This is so weird. 101 milliseconds from now. 124. Okay, so I don't know what's going on, but I do have some sort of experiment idea. So it looks like it's not replying instantly, but it might be a UI glitch or something like that. And I know this works on older versions. All this code is working fine. On newer versions, it's not working. So I think Android 4, it works fine. Android 5, it doesn't work. Android 5 and onwards is just not working. I don't really know what the issue is, but I've got another idea. So I'm going to lay Lani script here. And the first message comes in here in 3 seconds, but I'm going to adjust that to 1 minute, right? So we'll just set that to 1 minute. Whatever, 1 minute and 3 seconds. And then we'll do make a new build. Did we delete it? We did. Okay, so we'll do a build. And my idea is, if it takes 1 minute and 3 seconds to appear, then the bug is, so if it takes 1 minute and 3 seconds to appear, the bug is logical. If it takes like 10 seconds, 5 seconds, something along that range, like under 10 seconds, then the bug is like UI related, and I'll chase it up in a different way. Okay, so yeah, okay, it looks like it's UI related. So it didn't take 1 minute, right? So it's trying to trigger really quickly, but it's just slow. Something's slowing it down. Okay, so there's a lot of shit going on here. So what I want to do next is I want to see like the time between when the code is supposed to fire and when this thing is actually drawn. So let's do that next. So it's not logic. It's not a logical error. So the cheat stuff is actually working. This one, I'll just get rid of that. It's not helpful. I believe this is not helpful either, and there is a way to test it. So we'll just discard this. So I'll delete the app again. And then we'll build it onto the device. And then if it... Okay, so now the build is basically the same. The only thing that changed is this trigger offset is 1 minute. So I think it's going to take 3 seconds, 4 seconds to draw the message. And then that means it's actually a UI issue and it's not a... It's not a whatever issue. Right? And I don't really want to read through the UI, but this is kind of a good excuse to do it, but not really. So, alright. Yeah. So, that's actually pretty cool, because we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can see it takes like 6 seconds for this message to appear when it's supposed to appear immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So another thing that's quite good to do. Okay, so that's a good clue. It's not a logic issue. It's like a timing issue. So it's something to do with like the UI code that was introduced in Android 5. It's a little bit slower, or I don't know. But the way we're putting this UI together is definitely wrong. So it's not a bad time to redo it. I mean, not to redo it, but to redo it. Yeah, to redo it. Okay, so another idea is the be cool thing. I think it's just called be cool. Be cool. Maybe it's this. Maybe this thing is slow. I'll just comment this out. Right. So I just want to see the timer. I don't want to see the is typing thing. This should be faster than that. Yeah, okay. So 13, and then it actually comes in at 8. So it's like 5 seconds. Why is it taking 5 seconds? Yeah, it's not very good. So, yeah. So, okay. I'm not sure what the issue is, and I'm gonna stop streaming now because I'm really tired. But I think I will stream tomorrow as well. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.